So now I'm going to take you through the basic user experience of independent leads on a mobile phone. So upon reaching the site, the first thing you need to do is register to create an account to access the site. So that's simple as register, type in a username you'd like to use, an email address, so mine for, for this demonstration, and a password. Okay, hitting register then sends an email to the inbox, and in that email just click the verified link, and now you're an active user on the site. So back on the page, select login and put in that username, that password. Login takes you to the main page of Independent Leads. Great. So from here we've got a map. We can see the businesses that are registered, and below that we can also see some cards relating to those businesses. Now this map, when you zoom in and reduce the number of businesses shown, the number of cards below that also reduces. So it's quite reactive and responsive to that. Of course, that's one way to navigate the site and find businesses, but if you're like Claire and you know exactly the type of food that you want to eat, well, you can use the drop down menu and the filters below. So selecting British from the list and then hitting filter will show the British cuisine businesses. Okay, well, Claire is also a vegan. Well, we've got you covered. Click on the vegan checkbox, filter again, and it reduces even further the number of businesses. So what about Tut Pub? Well, Claire's a Yorkshire lass, so she's going to try that. Clicking on the link takes you through to the information page. Scrolling down a little bit, you can see information about what type of business it is and whether you'd like to frequent it. Sounds like it's right up Claire's street, so she wants to book a table to have dinner there. Well, luckily that's something that's shown on the site. If the owner chooses to, they can show the number of tables currently available. Luckily there are tables left, so Claire's going to book a table. Scrolling down, you can find the phone number, a quick call, and that table's booked.
One wonderful meal later.
Okay, now she's had her meal, what can she do to share her experience with other users? Well, firstly, back on Tut Pub's page, she can support the business. So that will make Yorkshire Dave very happy. She can also leave a comment. What a wonderful place. Clicking show comments, you can see that hers is at the top. But there's a spelling mistake. No problem. Click delete comment and it's gone with a quick yes to confirm. And there we go. She can add another comment, but she can't delete anyone else's comments because that button only appears for her on her comment. Now at this point, Claire is really happy. She wants to register her own business, her cat cafe. Well, no problem. Click on the hamburger, select register business, and there's a nice form with all of the information that she can fill out about her business. But for the sake of brevity and through the magic of video, ta-da, it's all filled out for us. Okay, now at this point, registration needs to be verified. So if I just put on my admin hat for a second, log in as admin, I can then select verify from the nav bar and I can see her business. I can click verify and then the business will appear on the site. Claire can visit her own page and she's just looked at the information and realised, the phone number's wrong. Well, no problem. For her, there are little edit buttons to click on. She can select the one next to phone number, put in the new phone number, update, and there we go. Her users can get in contact with her and book tables at her restaurant. So there we go. Claire's very happy. I hope you guys have found it interesting too.